Mwanchumo nigo bono monogeri bwe serikali ya iga Kenya Mheshimiwa Mwaura gukwana nabarikia mangana kuru asechia bisicha iga subuga tagati umucho Nairobi nigaruro koboye guchia ABAIBORI kwane kyabuna nko bayikabaranga abana babo nakumanya aya bagwetera eri gusangana barabo unenchiremo yogo chiko kiani ebikore byabiri bikone kwasa matukabwango iga asechi skuru cyabere chigo sambo muri kito Linet Nyambane nwarenga sensemeyo robotiro ya senchirubikirana
ase enkwana ya serikali eyo kubwatukwa kiraritko rya Jumatatu kubwatekana nemeroberi ya serikali omonogeri bwe serikali Mwaura ukwaneire obuya bwa ABAIBORI bwo kubeka omokia asokoronge ya CHIMBWA cy'abana babo nari ebikore byo gusambwa gwekiskuru birasire.
We as parents need to ask ourselves the question, are we parenting properly? What is lacking? You know, I was at a school yesterday, and they actually told me that the grade 10 learners are more bolder. They're even asking, can you give us an opportunity to communicate with our parents? I don't think we would have said that before. So there's an issue of discipline that we have to have an honest conversation about. You know, we have to have a conversation about. You know, the Bible says in the book of, Proverbs 13:24, spare the rod, spoil the child. And he who disciplines their child, because they love them. So we need to ask ourselves, have we dropped the ball? Have we let, the parenting role to go back to be done by teachers? We are so busy. Now, looking for bread, both fathers and mothers, I beg your pardon.
Gukwana korwa chiabisi chiarambe annex imeomucho Nairobi Mwaura oenekeirie ABAIBORI bari bonsi basireti abana baba se skuru ya baiseke ya utumishi nigo baguchia konyora obokonyi korwa se serikali asaruro kobore guchia se amateko baba twereru kubwatekana no muroberi obokwenia aboroki gwabo kwira chingaki no korengwa gwechisambuli cha DNA nakwenekia kire amatenko nyorere omwanchobo.
When we promise, we will fulfill. We'll be able to fulfill, because these are last respects. It's not really a compensation for the life lost, and I think it's important to say so, because I've been seeing people trying to say on social media all this and that. This is just a facilitation for the last respects, even as the other parents wait, for the requiem mass at Utumishi Academy shortly. So yes, we'll do so, and as I said, even and we are taking all the medical bills, by the way, even the bills of the man the father who is still in hospital. We've been able to link them up so that also he can be taken care of now that he also lost the wife. On the issue of the 10 days, remember we are also trying to match the DNA with the bodies of the people that we lost, the children. So that is what takes time. It's happened before. So we really are calling upon the parents to be more patient, to be a little bit patient with this. So that we are able to properly match everyone, so that we do not have a case of mistaken identity, whereby you end up burying a child that was not yours.
Arenayo Mwaura nigatebire ubuyambore obukwagachwa gwech karantini choboroire bwebora imeyense iriku yarigania obosibo boroire obwo asebo igatebire ense ya Kenya nigo ebwate chimbebe chinyinge boigo oenekirie aba Kenya 30 na kianda nigo barachi karantini echo atakwana amarieta.
We have 23 facilities, isolation facilities. It's not good to disclose such because of confidentiality. But yes, we have over 37 Kenyans, as at the last count, who are in these facilities. And just to also say, not just like Laikipia one. That's the emphasis. Because we have been building this internal resilience with the support from our budget, 167 billion finances, and also over 200 billion that we are getting over a period of time. That's very, very important. To the Ebola outbreaks in neighboring countries, strict screening is being enforced at all our major borders, including thermal checks, health questionnaires, and personal protective equipment, as we know they are called PPEs, used by health workers. The Malaba crossing, a key transit point with 300 trucks daily, has intensified surveillance, and over 77,000 travelers have been screened at 26 entry points with no confirmed Ebola case in Kenya. Please take note, no confirmed case.
Gorpoteria enso vikurwa ase kaunti ya Nairobi irietariane Linet Nyambane.